Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company, and I hope you're doing really well. I'm just going to change around a few things in my sinking funds binder today because I've had a different thinking process about one of the envelopes in here, and I'm going to top up a couple of the others. I'm using my rollover from my savings challenges, and I've also emptied the emergency fund envelope out of here. So I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 pounds to stuff today. I'll just put that there. I have nothing left in my well-being. I've spent that all. I'm going to use this tracker as £10 because the pedicure is pretty expensive. It's about £40. My nails are £27. I'm going to use this as £10 each icon. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There's 18 icons here. 18 times that by 10, I will get £180. So I'm hoping that will help me to keep up with my feet and my fingernails. This is the second time I've had my nails done. December I had them done when I had my pedicure, and yesterday I went and had an infill because I just don't have the time to start doing my nails at home. And I really do want to do it because I will save that money. My hair, I've still got £50 in there. My going out is empty. And my hobbies is empty as well. And I'm still putting money in the labour. The emergency, I took it out. I took that one out, and the £30 has gone into there because I'm going to use my 2023 challenge, saving challenge that I'm doing, to put part of it into my emergency fund. Last year I saved £1,000 for emergency. That's in the bank, and out of that 2023 savings challenge I'm going to put another £1,000 out of that into my emergency, and I'll take it from there. I'm going to promise myself that I'm not buying anything in regards to budgeting items, Etsy, or any arts and craft items until I get to maybe about £50 in this envelope. I spent the £10 that was in there, that's gone. My Etsy purchases came up to £10.74, so I still owe it 74 pence. So that's how it is at the moment. I'll start with this one. I said I've got 85 here, didn't I? I will start with £40. Yes, because well-being has nothing at the moment. Let's see what colours I've got here. Let's do this pink. £18 times 10 is £180. I will work towards that for this one. So let's do the 40. Actually, let's do 25, 30, 35, 40. I've got 1 5 left. I'll take a 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. That's for my pedicure. and I'm not going to aqua aerobics until maybe spring because it's just too cold. And then my hair, it's still got its £50. Don't have to worry about that for now. And going out has nothing, so I'll give going out £20. £20 is in there. Good. Then I have my hobbies. I'm going to give my hobbies £10. The big piggies are £10 and the little ones are £5. And labour will get £10. Okay, so now we have well-being has got 40. Hair is fine. Going out got 20. Hobbies, what did hobbies get? I'm supposed to write this down as I go along. Hobbies got 10. And labour got 10. Yeah, labour got 10. I ended the emergency. My total spend out of this binder was £100 that I spent. I'll put that back in for the rollover for my savings challenges. I will see you back real soon. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications. Take care of your good selves. Bye for now. Bye.